problem.
Well, guys, pitch black out. We've lit up under the barn. Gonna try something stupid, as always. But it might work. I think so. Yep. Should have had a warm-up car, but here we go.
Ring smoke.
Cool. Which way is it going?
Whoa!
It's alright. It's because it's blowing this way. That's better. There, back there. Alright? Oh! There's no way I was going to hold that. Ready?
Yep.
Ah! So windy, car.
I know, man. It's quite surprising, isn't it?
Yeah. Ready? Ah! Jesus! Look at this smoke! Mate. Oh. Oh, you nutter! Fucking hell! I don't know how I didn't crash. I don't know how I didn't crash. Oh!
Mini crash.
Mini crash. Jesus, that was loud.
They are, aren't they?
Yeah. Oh! That looks so good in the smoke, man. Doesn't it?
Yeah.
Whoa. Oh, dude. Oh! Whoa!
Last one.
Oh.
Last one.
Oh.
What can I use it with? I've got on a plane.
You have to hold it to the last minute. Ah!
What?
Ah, I blew it out.
Oh no, that one went up.
I thought it's landed.
Nice one. Look at the card.
Wicked. Oh, mate, battery's done. That was so good.